Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Messenger video call sound problem. Sometimes you may experience sound problems during video calls on Messenger. This can happen due to app settings, notification issues, or outdated versions of the app. The good news is that you can fix it by checking a few settings and clearing the cache. Here's how you can do it on your mobile device. First, open the Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on Menu from the bottom right corner to open more options. Now tap on Settings. This is where you can control all app settings, including notifications and sounds. Now scroll down and tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here, check the ringtone and make sure it is not set to silent or a very low volume. This ensures you can hear incoming calls properly. Now go back to the home screen and hold the Messenger app icon until options appear. Then tap on the info icon. Here, tap on Notifications. Make sure that calls are enabled. If calls are disabled, you won't hear any sound during video calls. Then go back and open the Play Store. Now search for Messenger and tap on it. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause bugs and sound issues. Now go back and hold the Messenger app again. Then tap on the info icon. Here, tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be causing problems. Finally, go back and restart your phone. Restarting helps apply all changes and ensures the sound works properly during video calls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.